Hi, I'm Amada from Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today I wanted to show you a few nice Amada press brakes that just came in. These are some of our favorite flagship, known as the Ferrari of press brakes, not only for their color, but for very, very high accuracy, high tolerance machines. Now we have a few in stock, but you'll notice one of the most important things is this NC9EX2. That's the controller you want, NC9EX2. That's the best controller that they make. It's one of their most popular. People know how to use it. You get parts for it. It's really easy to use. You can see this controller is original, all really clean. There's a couple little buttons missing there, but they do work. Everything here on the paint looks great, looks like original paint. This is an up-acting press brake, meaning this bottom ram here is going to come up. The back gauge is going to move in and out, giving you your next position. It's going to go back down and repeat. So that's a little bit different than most press brakes you'll see are usually down-acting. We'll show you a few of those too because we have a lot of different machines in stock. Now this particular one, as I say, step on the treadle. We're going to move up. Once it gets to that position, drop it down. You see the back gauge moves right to that next position where you need to be. Again, nice and easy to use. You don't need to be doing any calculations, anything important like that. I'll show you here. Actually, a piece I think they were making on this right before we got it. You can see this is how it makes the form. So, made a few different bends. People could put different tooling down here. Again, very high accuracy tooling. We do sell some of the Amada tooling. Sometimes we get it used. We can help you with new tooling as well for either your European style, American style, or Amada style tooling. But they would put this in here, bend your piece, and go on to your next position each time. So it's very simple and easy to use, these Amadas, very quiet. I wanted to show you the difference between the up-acting and the down-acting. So we're going to go right over here. You'll see we have new as well as used machinery here at Sterling Machinery Exchange. This is our warehouse where we keep all of our fabrication and large machinery. This is a brand new Cincinnati press brake. You'll see it has just about every option you could put onto it. Fully integrated CNC controller. It has light curtains here that are not only for safety, but they actually can help calculate the bend as it's in the bend to make sure that every piece is absolutely perfect. Brand new machines, down acting. So you'll see these cylinders right here. They're down acting. This entire portion of the ram is going to come down and raise back up, as opposed to that Amada where it goes from up and drops back down, which is a really nice feature to have, as again, for safety, makes it a gravity drop. Here's another Cincinnati. This is actually a used Cincinnati. This is a 230 ton, so we're getting a lot bigger than the RG-50 or an RG-80. We're going over to a 230 ton. But again, I just want you to see this down acting style. That's gonna have the whole brake come down. There's a few other machines. You can see this is a 60 ton, 6 foot. So this is gonna be very, very similar to that Amada over there. This is a CNC Cincinnati. This is all original paint. This is actually a used machine that's in our warehouse for sale. CNC back gauge, in and out, up and down R axis, very similar to that other machine. That other machine does have more fingers and more sections that are sectioned out for where they were bending, but you can set these up to whatever type of production you're gonna be doing. Just give us a call, let us know how we can help you. 626-444-0311. We could find out the right machine for you, which may be even this machine. Now they make these in all different sizes, of course, too. It has a touchscreen controller. This is a 175 ton hydraulic CNC press brake made by Accurpress brake. You see the brand names right there. Very, very nice machines. Let's go around to the back where you can see the special part on this machine. So here you can see the difference between these three machines. First, you have the Amada, which is an up-acting. The Cincinnati, which is a down-acting with the cylinders directly on top. And this Accurpress brake is hydraulic. It's going to up-act from the rear, causing the front to come down. So it's got a lot of different leverages in here, but the one real benefit of this, you're gonna have a very low profile machine as compared to the other machines. So you can see the height of this machine versus the height of something that's almost similar to this machine. So having the cylinders on top, plus you're gonna need a pit, just depends on what you're looking for. Everybody's gonna need different types of machines, different styles, different type of building that you're gonna have. Some people wouldn't wanna make a pit. This one has a belly pit that's gonna go into the ground. This one sits right on the floor. Here's one of our big beasts we use to move this suckers around, 30,000 pound lift. And again, Upacting, CNC control, low profile, really nice for a small shop, really intricate work. Now, if you're looking for this type of machine, or if you have one for sale, as I said, please give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. First, we'll turn our power on the controller. Now we're gonna need to calibrate. Hit the L origin. You'll notice our back gauge is now moving forward. Our back gauge numbers here on the controller moving up. It's gonna find home. Now that it's found home, we're gonna home the RAM. We're gonna put it in the manual mode. Bring it up to where we want it to bend. Hit D origin. Manual mode. And now we should be ready for our CNC process.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.